we have a cultural problem in the Eugene Police Department, and it's been there for years. And when I say that with having lived here for 40 years and have had positive and negative experiences in police stops and other things, and understanding that one of the only reasons why I was stopped because I was driving in black. And I was stopped, the first time I was ever stopped by the police in my life was in Eugene. And I was walking down 13th Street, and it was the third day that I was here. And so I will tell you that I've had a number of conversations since Saturday with people throughout the community, African Americans and others, and people who are relaying to me and have over the years their incidents with police engagement that have either been inappropriate or just downright unacceptable. And a lot of this stuff was based on race and ethnicity. And I know that some of my colleagues and other folks in the community may have some difficulty around articulating this, but trust me, I have no problem articulating this. And if you've known me since I've lived here for the last 40 years, you know, we have had to deal with this. It's really important with regard not only to this incident, but with regard to the relationship that communities of color have, or I should say, have not had with the Eugene Police Department for many years. The police auditor and civilian review board were established in the 90s when similar issues came up around police misconduct and police misbehavior in Eugene. I know a number of police officers in Eugene who are totally appalled by what happened over this weekend with that one officer. And I will say that that should not characterize this police department. But the problem is that after viewing the tape evidence and the other audio evidence of the incident with the police department, and we need to have a significant change in culture. Folks need more training, but we also need to examine how people get hired and get through a significant screening process to be able to feel comfortable while in uniform, on the job, in a police vehicle, wearing a gun, to be able to say what this ex-officer said. And sit there and laugh and giggle, not only about racist things, but about beating other people up. And this is real life. This is what people have been going through in this country since for the last 400 years. This is not an indictment of the Eugene Police Department. It's an indictment for our entire community that we have allowed this to go on, knowing what we know about the history of people who have engaged in inappropriate activity and illegal activity under the color of law. It happens throughout this state, throughout this country, and it needs to stop now. And I am committed, I've been here for 40 years, until I draw my last breath, we are going to make a significant change in this community, and we're going to turn the ship the right way, not the wrong way. I'm well over my turn.
Thank you, Councilor.